Good morning, everyone. Namaskar. Namaskar, everyone. Good morning, bachcha. Namaskar. I hope everyone is safe and healthy at your home. Welcome to you all our math class. Good morning, bachcha. Good morning. Good morning, Sampurna. Good morning, beta. Nice to see you, everyone. Namaskar, beta. Namaskar, Diya, Purva. Namaskar, everyone. Namaskar. Good morning, beta. Okay, welcome to you all our math session. Sit properly, everyone. So, are you all ready for the today's class? What happened, Purva? नींद आ रही है, Purva? Yeah, नींद आ रही है? So sit properly, बच्चा. Did you finish your breakfast? Did you finish your breakfast? Yes. Okay, good, very good. Because you all are the strongest. Girl and boy, right? सब strong हो ना? Are you all strong? Right? Yes, very good. वाह, देखो संपूर्णा भी स्ट्रांग दिखाई रही है मुझे. देखो ऐसे कैसे कर रही है संपूर्णा. ओहो ओहो, मन भैया ने तो ऐसे दिखाई अपने. देखो ऐसे कैसे शक्तिमान की जैसे. वाह, वेरी गुड. ओके ओके एवरीवन, लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर सेशन बाय प्रे टू गॉड. अभी हम कौन सा श्लोक लर्न कर रहे हैं? एनीवन रिमेनिंग? विच श्लोक वी हैव टू गोइंग टू लर्न? Yes, tell me fast. Okay. So, let us start our session. Join your hands. Close your eyes, everyone. Sit straight. Sampurna, join your hands, beta. Close your eyes. Sit straight. सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते. नारायणी नमस्तुते. Let's once recite this श्लोक. सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते. नारायणी नमस्तुते. Rub your hands, children. Keep it on your eyes. Apply on your face. And slowly open your eyes. How do you feel? How do you feel? Feel fresh? Show me your thumb, everyone. If you all are feel fresh, so show me your thumb. Okay, very good. Very good, everyone. Now I'll take turn for this श्लोक. Arna. Arna. Hello, Arna. Arna, unmute my own self. Arna.
Yes, ma'am.
नमस्कार बेटा. आर यू? ओके ना मैम जो ओके थैंक यू बेटा। मैम जो श्लोक अभी सिखा रहे हैं आपको वो आता है सर्व मंगल मांगल्ये? आरना टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा। आरना कैमरा ऑन कीजिए बेटा। यस आता है बेटा। तो फर्स्ट आप सारे फ्रेंड को आप नमस्कार बोलोगे और आपका इंट्रोडक्शन दोगे। माय नेम इज आरना एंड आई एम योर फ्रेंड। आरना आई एम योर फ्रेंड। नमस्कार एवरीवन। आरना अच्छे से बोलोगे ना बेटा? Join your hand, close your eyes। और आरना आपका वॉइस लाउडर होना चाहिए ओके बेटा, ताकि आपके सारे फ्रेंड को सुनाई दे। ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट आरना।
गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव गुरु गुरुदेव नमः।
ओके क्लैप फॉर आरना। ओके आरना बट मैंने आपको सर्व मंगल मांगल्य ये वाला श्लोक बोला था और आपने गुरु ब्रह्मा बोला। नो प्रॉब्लम आरना, बट अभी से हम जो श्लोक मैम सिखा रहे हैं उसकी हम ट्राई करेंगे। ओके बच्चा, थैंक यू फॉर द लवली श्लोक। गुड ट्राई आरना। थैंक यू बेटा।
एक बात बोलो
Okay everyone, now I'll take your attendance। और आज मुझे अटेंडेंस में हमने जो कॉन्सेप्ट करवाए हैं उसका मुझे नाम चाहिए। ओके यू हैव टू राइट देयर इंस्टेड ऑफ यस मैम, यू हैव टू राइट देयर सोज वी हैव टू डन आवर कॉन्सेप्ट इन अ फर्स्ट इवेल्यूशन, वो आप वहां पर लिखोगे। ओके एवरीवन, नाउ start from the Arna you have to write there जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट हमने लर्न कर लिए आफ्टर बिफोर बिटवीन राइट, नंबर नेम, सर्कल शेप, स्मॉल बिग। अभी डे बिफोर यस्टरडे वी हैव टू डू कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ मोर एंड लेस। यू ऑल आर राइट डाउन इन द चैट बॉक्स इंस्टेड ऑफ यस मैम ऑल द टॉपिक नेम, ताकि मुझे पता चले आप लोगों को हम लोगों ने कौन कौन से टॉपिक लर्न कर लिए वो आपको याद है, ताकि हमारा फिर बाद में रिवीजन हो जाए। ओके आरना, अंश दयानी, आरना, अंश, अरमान जेलानी, अर्थ बंसल। यस आरना, क्या लिखना है आपको? क्या बोला है मैम ने अभी? अंश दयानी, अर्थ बंसल, भव्या फलादिया। यस वेरी गुड वाह गुड ट्राई। देखो तो आपको पता चलेगा कि हम लोगों ने कौन कौन से कॉन्सेप्ट आगे किए हैं और हम लोग रिवीजन भी करेंगे उसका, और हम याद रखेंगे कि कोई भी नया टॉपिक हम करें तो पुराना वाले को भूल नहीं जाना है। यू हैव टू रिमाइंडर बाय हार्ट। भव्या फलादिया, धार्मिक, टिया देत्रोजा, ध्यान चकासनिया, ध्यान त्रांबडिया, दिव्यांशु प्रधान। वेरी गुड एवरीवन। हर्षिली सेठी, यस वेरी गुड। Arshili, are you there? Chaivitri Jadeja. Very good. Jerish, Mankasundra, Mahia, Moksha. Very good. Very good everyone. Param, Urva Detroja, Simonjit, Shrutanvi Sethi, Vihan Dekiwadia. Yes, very good. More and less thing. Yes, shape of the circle. Yaksh Pethani, Vihan Dekiwadia, Vihan Dodia, Yaksh Pethani, Sampurna, Kirtiratni Jala, and Ruhi. Ruhi, very good Sampurna. देखो Sampurna ने तो सारे के सारे लिख दिए. Very good Sampurna. Anyone remaining for the attendance? Anyone? Okay, Shriya. Yes, Shriya. Okay, Shriya, thank you. Okay, everyone. Done? अभी कोई भी टॉपिक छूट नहीं रहे हैं ना? Did you remember that? Can anyone of the we forgot? Okay, done everyone. Okay, what did we learn yesterday? And turn off your camera, Purva India Detroja. Thank you, beta. Okay, everyone, you have to just guess it, which topic we have to going to learn today. Okay? Here I put so many things. Okay, everyone? So, for pencil, sticks, spoons, straw, yes, scissors, clay ball, 2 plastic box. Not thick tin. Not thick tin. We are not going to learn today thick tin. Okay? And then 3 books. Okay? 3 books. Okay, see? देख लिया? Okay, now I'll show another thing. Now I will show another thing. Okay, everyone? Okay, you can see here, kids, this is our school painting. You can see here from this Angry Bird picture, which one is the smallest? On this whole 6 picture of the Angry Bird, which one is the smallest? Let me know, kid, fast. Yes, very good. Pink one is the smallest. Okay, let's comparison from the two. From the yellow and sky, from the yellow and sky. Which one is the smallest? Which one is the smallest? Yes, blue one. Blue one. Very good. Very good. Now I'll just show you. Yes? One more picture of the Angry Birds. From three pictures, brown, yellow and sky, which one is the smallest? Which one is the smallest? No, yes, no, no, no. See properly. See properly, everyone. Yes, brown, brown, very good. Brown. Yes? Now, I'll just show one more picture. Yes, which picture is this? Do you like cartoon? Do you like cartoon? Which is your favorite cartoon character? Okay, which one is your favorite cartoon character? My favorite is Chhota Bheem, Chutki. Right? Your? Which is your favorite? Motu Patlu. Wow, very good. Yes. मोटू और पतलू में से कौन सा स्मॉलेस्ट है? यस, डोरेमन. यस, वेरी गुड. मोटू और पतलू में से कौन सा स्मॉलेस्ट है? पतलू या मोटू? शिवा. यस, रोबो. यस, very good. Patlu is the smallest. From this picture, from Tom and Jerry में से, from this picture, which one is the smallest? Which one? Yes, very good. Which one is the smallest? Yes, Cherry. Cherry, very good. Now I'll just show one more picture of the Tom and Jerry. Right? इसमें से which one is the smallest? Cherry. Yes, very good. So now which topic we are going to learn today? Can anyone tell me which topic we are going to learn today? Small. Yes, Maya. Very good. Very good. Which topic we are going to learn today? Smallest number. Smallest. Today we are going to learn explanation of the smallest. Yes, very good. Smallest number. Today we are going to learn explanation of the smallest number. Smallest number. Okay, everyone. So, did you enjoy with this game? आपको मजा आया? Yes, okay. So, shall we start our today's explanation of the smallest number with the smallest object? Yes. So, ready with your beautiful smile and fresh mind. Okay, everyone. Okay, here I put so many things. Okay, let me kid. From this object, which object we have to consider in a small? Which object we have to consider in a small? Okay. Let's start with the first object. And जो भी small object है उसमें हम क्या करेंगे? Circle. Okay, everyone. So, and now I'll give you 2 minutes for the everyone. Please collect collect the thing available at your home and do this activity with me. Okay, collect the things available at your home like a toy, utensils, pencils, crayon, containers, books, right, pulses, whatever you can take. Available at your home, you can take any of the things and do this activity with me. Okay, everyone, are you ready? Collected or not? Are you collected things? You can collect the leaves also. You can collect the stone. You can collect any foodie items. You can collect the fruits, vegetables. Yes? Done, everyone? Done? सारे बच्चे आंसर देंगे, उसके बाद ही मैं स्टार्ट कर पाऊंगी. Okay, so let's start first from the first object, from the first row and first object. Which one is the smallest candy stick? Which one is the smallest candy stick? Yes, middle one. So we have to circle on it the first one, last one, या middle one. Very good. Middle one. So this is the smallest object comparatively to other one. This is the smallest object comparatively other one. Okay, everyone? Done? तो सारे बच्चे अपना कैमरा ऑन रखेंगे आज. चलो मुझे देखना है कौन मेरे साथ कर रहा है. और वो नहीं बोलेंगे कि प्लीज मैम मेरा देखो. जितने बच्चे दिखेंगे मुझे उन लोगों को मैं रिस्पॉन्ड करूँगी. और जो रिमेनिंग स्टूडेंट है वो मुझे अपना पिक निकाल कर एक्टिविटी का वो मुझे सेंड करेंगे. ओके एवरीवन. चेरिस, आपने कौन कौन सी थिंग्स कलेक्ट की है? संपूर्णा, which thing you have to collect for this activity? Yes, very good. And another thing is, बेटा आज मैम ने पार्ट नहीं की है. चेरिस, आज मैम ने पार्ट नहीं की है. सी, we have to do only today only smallest number, right? Not comparison, right? That's why we have to put all the things together. Okay बच्चा? Okay Cherish? Okay, now are you able to see this spoon? Are you able to visible this spoon, everyone? Okay, so here I put 3 spoons, right? Which one is the smallest spoon? Which one is the smallest spoon? Yes, right side, first one. Yes. Okay, so this is the smallest spoon comparatively other spoon. So we have to circle on it. We have to circle the smallest thing. We have to first identify the smallest things. We have to identify first the smallest object and then we have to circle on it. Okay, now here is two plastic container, 2 plastic box. Okay, so which one is the smallest? हर्षिली, आपका दिखाओ बेटा. हर्षिली, आपकी एक्टिविटी दिखाओ बच्चा. Show it to me. Yes, very good beta. You can collect more things, no problem. Okay. Which one is the smallest object? This white cap that box या purple cap that box? Yes, white one. So let's circle on it. Done, everyone? Let's see the another object. Okay, here I put three pencils, right? So which one is the smallest? Which one is the smallest? Yes, second one, and it has a sky color. It is in sky color, right? Second one, middle one, right? This thing is the smallest comparatively other pencil. That's why we have to circle on it. Okay, now let's see other object. Okay, good. रूही, I want answer from your side also. रूही, आपका आंसर मुझे नहीं आ रहा है बेटा. Please give me answer and do this activity with me. Okay, here I put three straw. Which one is the smaller? Let's see which one is the smallest. Yes, very good. Yes, third one, right side, the first one. Yes, this one is the smallest straw comparatively other. Okay, everyone, let's see the other object. Okay, here I put two scissors. Okay, which one is the smallest object? Yes, blue one. So let's circle on it. Okay, here I put three circles from the made of the clay. Okay, everyone. Okay, अब हसीली और संपूर्णा, आप बेटा आपका कैमरा ऑफ कर दोगे ताकि दूसरे बच्चे मुझे दिखाई दे. ओके बेटा, थैंक यू. रिमेनिंग स्टूडेंट प्लीज टर्न ऑन योर कैमरा ताकि आप जो भी एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो मैम दिखे. रिमेनिंग स्टूडेंट प्लीज. परम, पूर्व, थिया, माही, हर्षिली, माही, श्रेया, ध्यान त्रांबडिया, ध्यान चकाशनिया. Yes, show it to me your activity. Okay, which one is the smallest? From three circle ball, which one is the smallest? Yes, this one. Let's circle on it. Okay, everyone. So let's revise. From three stick, this one is the smallest. That's why we have to circle on it. From the spoon, we have to circle on it. This one is the smallest. From two box, plastic one, white is the smallest. From three pencil, blue one is the smallest. From three straw, this one is the smallest. From two scissors, this one is the smallest. Yes, and the last one is, but not least, three ball, and yellow one is the smallest. And now I'll show one more thing. Here I put three books. First one is the word of numbers, second one is the peekaboo magic, and third one is the word around me. Word around me pictures resource book. So please let me know kids which one is the smallest. Let's comparison. Let's find out the smallest object from three. Okay, which one is the smallest? Yes, word around me teacher's resource book. That one is the white, is the third one. Yes, very good. Last one, white one is the smallest book. Okay, everyone. So I hope did you understood this explanation of the smallest number? Are you understand or not? Please write down in the chat box if you have any query. Please let me know कि मैम मुझे अभी भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, because I want each and every student from this activity. Okay? आप मुझे करके नहीं दिखाओगे तो मुझे पता नहीं चलेगा कि आपको आया है या नहीं आया है. Okay, everyone? So you all are understood this topic or not? Did you enjoy with this small activity? Okay, yes, understood, no doubt. Thank you. Okay. No one has doubt. Wow, very good. So you all are the brilliant student, huh? You all are. Because आपको कभी किसी को डाउट ही नहीं होता है. क्यों डाउट नहीं होता है कोई भी चीज में? चलो फास्ट टेल मी. ऐसा है सबको समझ में आ रही है सारी चीज मैम जो भी करवाए. Everyone has known very well all the concept. Oh, very good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for appreciate me. Sometime मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कोई कभी मुझे बोलता नहीं है कि नहीं डाउट है, राइट? तो मुझे लगता है कि आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि मैम को बोले ना बोले. Please, without hesitation, you can tell us whenever you face any of the trouble, any of the subject. Okay, ma'am? Okay, parents? Okay. So, let us start with again small activity with the number. Okay, everyone. Here I wrote 3, 1 and 4. Find out the smallest number. Find out the smallest number. First, I'll draw here value of the number. Right? See, number 3 has a 3 circle. Number 3 has a 3 circle. How many ones we have to get in the number 3? Okay, thank you. Okay. And number 1 has how many ones? 1. And number 4 has how many ones? 4. So number 3 has a 3 value. Number 1 has a 1 ones, यानी 1 value, and number 4 has a 4 ones. तो इस सब में सबसे कम वैल्यू कौन से नंबर के पास है? कम ऑब्जेक्ट, कम थिंग्स, राइट? कम अमाउंट. Yes, number 1 has a less circle, less value, less thing. That's why it is the smallest number. So we have to write in this circle number 1. Number 1 is the smallest number from this line. Now we have to write here another number. 12, then 7 and then 15. Let's first write their value. Number 12 में कितने ones और कितने tens आएंगे? How many tens and how many ones we get the number 12? 1 tens and 2 ones, right? This standing line we have to consider the 1 tens. 1 tens, 2 ones get from the number 12. 1 tens, 2 ones makes number 12. For the number 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? And in the 15 number, 1 10, 5 ones. 5 ones. Okay? So which one is the smallest number? Which one is the smallest number? Write down the smallest number in this circle. मुझे सारे बच्चों की आंसर चाहिए. but a single student remaining for the answer. I want answer from the every student. रूही कहाँ गई? रूही अभी, यस रूही, ओके. चेरिस, धार्मिक, सिया, आर्स, आरना, ध्यान त्रांबड़िया, ध्यान जकासनिया, दिव्यांशु, श्रुतन्वी, श्रेया, यक्ष. Yes, very good. So number 7 is the smallest number from this number. That's why we have to write in this circle 7. 7. Understood everyone? What did we learn today? What did we learn today? We have to dig in today's session explanation of the smallest number with different object, with different number, okay everyone. And your homework is in worksheet page number 16. Page number 16. First you have to mention on the top HW. After that 29 day 29 of the July 2021 and today's day. Okay, Ram has so many toys. He wants to select smallest. हमने क्या किया? सारी things में से कौन सी select की? Smallest या biggest? Which things we have to select it in our activity? Smallest. So in your homework also, Ram नाम का एक boy था. Ram has so many toys. He wants to select smallest toys from this. ये सारे toy में से उसको smallest ही select करना है. Let's help him to find and color the smallest toys. Okay everyone? Understand? What is your today's homework? Understand everyone? Okay, and please, okay, and please show it to me, your today's class work, today's activity. I hope you all did your best. आपने अच्छे से activity की होगी. Please show it to me. Yes, please turn on your camera. Fast beta. Okay. शेरिस एक्टिविटी पर फोकस करना है बेटा. आपके ऊपर नहीं. आपने जो एक्टिविटी की वो दिखानी है मुझे. ओके, नहीं दिख रहा है. आप ही मुझे दिखाई दे रहे हो चेरिश. टेल टू योर मदर फोकस टू ऑन योर एक्टिविटी. उसके ऊपर कैमरा के फोकस कीजिए बेटा. ओके, रिमेनिंग स्टूडेंट प्लीज शो इट टू मी योर एक्टिविटी. भव्या, धार्मिक, माहिया, श्रुतन्वी, हर्षिली, turn on your camera. Parents, please help your child for the sewing activity. Ansh Dayani, show me your activity. Yes, very good. Very good, Jerish. Very good, beta. Thank you. Mahia, Heti Persania, show it to me. Okay, everyone. So, here is the time to leave our session. Okay, we will meet tomorrow again with new activity, with new concept. Till then, keep smiling, stay home, stay happy. Namaskar. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Welcome, ma'am. And जो स्टूडेंट का बाकी है, प्लीज click your activity pics and send it to me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Namaskar.